If you don't have a habit of saving, I recommend that you develop one since it will help you deal with a financial crisis. More importantly, saving money allows you to avoid terrible loans. When you have a good saving culture, you are winning on all fronts. If you don't make much money and struggle to pay even the simplest of bills, talking about saving money may seem like a joke to you, right? For instance, if you only have $10 left after paying all your bills, what is the point of saving? I understand your point of view, but you must remember that saving is a journey that begins with one disciplined step. Your financial condition may alter if you are disciplined and determined. It may be difficult, but it is well worth the effort and, more importantly, it has numerous advantages. If you have spare money or your income is more than enough to cover your bills, you can start saving. Your funds come in handy when you least expect it. Saving money takes a lot of discipline, but it is not a difficult habit to develop if you are determined enough. If you decide to make it a habit, you will greatly profit from it. Alright, let's jump into 7 things to stop doing to save money fast. 1. Eating out. I understand if you dislike cooking, but the truth is that avoiding the eat-out mentality is one of the finest ways to save money. Many people would rather eat outside than in their home. Eating at home will save you money and provide you more opportunity to save. So, if you want to save money but enjoy eating out, you are on a ship of 2 contradictions. You must choose one. 2. Stop doing impulse buying. You should learn to control your emotions. If you do not require it right now, there is no reason for you to obtain it. It can be very hard to cut a daring habit, but it can save you a lot toward the future. 3. Stop buying things to impress others. The desire to impress is a sickness that has infected practically every young person nowadays. Have you ever been in a position where you know you don't need something but buy it anyhow because you want to impress someone else? You are, in fact, endangering your financial situation. Why buy something you don't need? You don't have to impress people with your financial situation. If you feel the urge to show off or impress people excessively, you can be sure that your financial life is on a downward spiral. 4. Stop buying latest gadgets like phones, computers, televisions, and so on. Using the most recent phone in town is one of the best ways to demonstrate a showy lifestyle, and there is nothing wrong with it. The issue, however, is that many people strive to flaunt a lavish lifestyle at the price of their money. Once again, there is no need to brag. Buying trendy phones as they are released would only lead to financial ruin because trendy phones will always be available. Remember when the BlackBerry was the rage? It's no longer there. Apple is here, and they constantly releasing new iPhone models. If you are easily tempted by the latest phones, you will go broke and literally break the bank. There's an old adage that goes, if it ain't broke, don't try to fix it. If the phone you're currently using still fulfills the function for which you purchased it, you shouldn't bother acquiring a new phone. Instead, save the money and your financial situation will improve over time. 5. Stop overbuying makeup and beauty products. It's nice to look good. Everyone enjoy looking and smelling well. It contributes to your self-esteem. However, when you have a financial objective, you do not have to spend as much money on beauty items. Make a spending plan. Working on a budget simplifies everything. Remember that your attractiveness will not matter if you are in debt. 6. Limit the order of your coffees. You should stop ordering double shots of coffee at the coffee shop every morning. Now, we are not condemning coffee drinkers, nor are we arguing that if you drink coffee, you'll go bankrupt. My point is that you could substitute a homemade cup for your daily double shots from the cafe on your way to work. It is more economical to make your coffee at home. The money you would have spent on coffee should be deposited to your savings account. Lastly, stop buying expensive brands. Some brands' prices are completely out of control. This is primarily due to their popularity. Brands such as Gucci, Versace, Dior, and others are considered classics and hence command premium prices. If you truly need to start saving, you must develop the perspective that purchasing clothing or other types of personal products from pricey brands is not always necessary. There are less expensive stores where you may purchase excellent items for a fraction of the price. There are online thrift stores where you may buy used items at low and affordable prices while saving the rest of your money. Large and expensive brands should never be on your list unless you are extremely wealthy. Most of the time, what the large companies are actually selling is the value associated to their names. There are smaller brands that produce as good clothing but are underutilized because they lack the necessary popularity. If you want to save money, you should stop shopping from the large brands. That's all there is to it. In the future, you need to make better financial judgments, and having a healthy saving culture is something you should never underestimate. Do you believe a crucial thing is missing from this video? Drop them in the comments section right now. We would be delighted to hear from you.